This video will show you how to install and set up the OLED display. Start by getting together all the tools that you'll need. For this installation, you will need a 2.5mm Allen key and cable ties. The OLED display has 4 controls: the on-off button, mode button, and the up and down buttons. To fit the OLED display, simply open up the clasp and fit around your bike's handlebars. Using the bolts and the 2.5mm Allen key, tighten the screw on the back of the display. Connect the green power cable into the green cable coming out from the mount by aligning the arrows on the sides of the connectors and pushing them together. If you have any hanging cable, fasten it to your handlebars using your cable ties. Press and hold the yellow power button located on the top of the display for 2 seconds until the Swytch logo appears. To change the power level, short press the up or down button. Here you can change the power from level 0 up to level 5. To view your trip information, short press M. Here you can swap between 3 separately designed screens. These show the trip distance, the trip time, and the average and max speed. To open the settings menu, press and hold the M button within the first 10 seconds of turning your display on. Once the menu pops up, short press the up or down buttons to navigate and short press M to select an option. Here you can change between metric and imperial units. Using the up and down buttons, make your selection and confirm it by short pressing M. Here you can adjust the length of time before your display automatically powers off when it is not in use. Short press the up or down buttons to navigate through the options and short press M to confirm your selection. Set your wheel size before you ride your Swytch kit for the first time. Short press the up or down buttons to navigate the different wheel sizes and short press M to confirm your selection. Short press the up or down buttons to navigate and short press M to confirm your selection. 25 km/h is the legal limit for the UK and Europe. Here you are able to see the battery's current voltage reading. Then short press M to exit. Here you can see the display serial number, firmware version and hardware version. Then short press M to exit. To reset your display to factory default, swap from No to Yes by short pressing M while the option is selected. Then select Exit to confirm the reset. For more help, please visit support.switchbike.com.